Hi, in this video, let us create a webhook callback URL using Pipedream and collect the form data. In WordPress dashboard, navigate to Click to Chat, Greetings. In the Greetings form builder, with these input types, greetings appear like this. Here, enter a webhook callback URL created using any integration tools like Zapier, Pipedream, and Integrately. Let us use Pipedream. In Workflows, click New to create a new workflow. Click HTTP Webhooks Request. Copy this webhook URL and paste in webhooks. Save changes. Now, when a user fills form, webhook URL gets triggered. Select Event, Post. Click Body, the form data is fetched here. Click Continue. Save the form data in any of these apps. Receive an email. Save in Airtable, Slack, Google Sheets. Click Add Single Row. Select Drive Account. Select a spreadsheet present in the drive. Select sheet name, which is already present in the drive. Click Values. In Body, select Fields. Click plus to enter new field. Click Test. The fields are stored in Sheet. Click Deploy. From now onwards, whenever user fills the form, the data is stored in this Google Sheet. The data of selected fields in Pipedream appears in this sheet. Click Edit. Add values to the Google Sheet. Client IP, URL, and user agent. We can add multiple steps using these apps. We can send the form data through an email. Click Send yourself an email. Add subject and text. Add values which are to be received in the email. Select value and enter any text to the field name. Shift-Enter and add more values to the text. Click Test. The form data filled by the users is received in the email registered at Pipedream. Click Deploy. Thank you for watching.